In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily blur background on your Instagram story, just like that. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to bring up Instagram story camera. After that, all we have to do is just drag this toolbar just like that to the very right position, where you need to find browse effects, then just tap on it. Then right here, tap at magnifier glass icon and search for blurred background. In this way you can easily find an effect which is called blurred background. I use that one. Then you can just tap on it, and after that you can choose that effect on that toolbar, and then you can use your camera to take a picture of some object, just like that. Just take a picture or record a video, and it will automatically blur the background. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.